little bit different.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. Well, I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So I'm about to head over to City Alignment right now and get this one-piece aluminum drive shaft installed in the drift cat so we can have a little stronger drive line in this thing. So let's hop in and get going. Yes, sir. You know where we're at. Getting some corn real quick. I started dribbling. Shit. All right, we going. Hello? Straight toothpick. So it looks like this cross member is gonna have to come out. Looks like a lot of stuff's gonna have to come off. Exhaust.
Chop it.
No. As you can see, this drive shaft is super thin. Super thin. Compared to this thing right here. Shit. It's a little bit different. Got a few miles on this one, just like 68,000, something like that. It lasted, surprisingly. Boot not even ripped, nothing like that. Well, this is kind of fucked up, for sure. Nice. So he's lifting the rear wheels in the air so he could spin the wheels to match up the drive shaft with the differential. Here's a good look at that. Oh damn, I scraped it a little bit. Here's a good look at that Durst diff brace that I have.
Mark, we got it on there.
Balanced, nice and balanced. America. Using all new bolts. These ones are a little, a little weathered, I should say. Made it look real clean. About to torque the bolts down. I think it's 70 up here and 57 by the differential. So 70 by the transmission, 57 by the differential.
So it was between 3.25 to 3.75.
Perfect. As you guys can see, my axles are not doing good. Hopefully G-Force sends my axles over already, because it's a lot of axle grease everywhere. I'm trying to get that cleaned up. That shit looks terrible. 70. All right. Now I'm about to go through all of the bolts again and do 70 foot-pounds. Front's done, as you can see, 70 foot-pounds. Now getting the rear done to 57. Got those all torqued to 57 foot-pounds. Now we can drop the car back down, get the exhaust back on, and be good to go. But yeah, as you can see, no clearance issues whatsoever, at least so far. We'll see what happens when we put the exhaust on, but because it's straight pipe, we should be good to go.
Okay, good.
Got the exhaust all buttoned back up. Good to go. Oh no! Oh, not the lightning. Oh god. What'd you do?
Spark plug. Shoot.
No shit.
Yeah,
That's not good. Yep, gonna have to hit up Overkill for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to him. I gotta see what setup he recommends. I don't know anything about Ford. Like this engine.
Other than that, it's garbage.
Yeah, pretty much. Let's swap. Let's swap.
You guys, thank you. Thank you.
That? I'm gonna throw it away.
Oh yeah, I need that. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
All right. I knew it was about to do that. You grab them bolts for me? Hello? Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Appreciate you.
Have a good one, alright?
Yes, sir. Make sure you guys go follow City Alignment Concord on Instagram.
SVT Cisco.
And follow SVT Cisco. Thank you, guys.
Have a good one.
Got the new drive shaft put on. Let's go test this thing out a little bit, shall we? Just a little bit though. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's just me, but I do feel like the shifts are faster. No lie, it does feel a lot faster on the shifts. That's crazy. Yeah, I can definitely feel that it's shifting faster now. Pull up just enough so we can get that drive shaft out. Back at the house now after a quick little test drive. It does seem like it shifts faster. I wasn't getting any vibration, but that could be because I do have the DURS diff brace. So the combination between the diff brace and the drive shaft might be a little bit more solid than just the drive shaft, because I heard of a lot of people that had that vibration, but I didn't read anything about them having a diff brace. So for all you guys that are having vibration with the one-piece drive shaft, check out a diff brace. It might fix your problem. But that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Doses.